Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy in those difficult times. Hopefully it will be past soon and we will go back to the normal lives or relatively normal lives. But I want to share with you, it's a gift from the subscriber. His name is Joseph and he's from Tampa, Florida, and he actually contacted me a while ago when I bought this car from Copart, right? It's a salvage title and I will keep fixing it as the time allows. And he contacted me and he was like, oh, I saw your excitement and I saw there was not a manual in the glove box. So I went ahead, bought one for you on eBay, used one, and I would like to give you that little gift. So Joseph from Tampa, Florida, thank you so much. I had it the entire time, probably for months or 3 weeks, sitting on the shelf. I couldn't get to it. The shop is closed, right, due to the coronavirus, so finally I have time to catch up. Here we go, let's open it. Unbelievable. Your generosity is incredible. And here we go. I'm trying not to show his name and address on the other side. Look at it. This is the entire pouch, right? This is pre-coronavirus, so I'm not afraid of opening it. Maybe it's already 2 months. Time flies. Peter, enjoy your channel on YouTube. Thought you might like it, Joe. So once again, Joe, this is incredible. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. This car will be very happy, right? It's a nice gesture from you. I do love it. And the car will be more complete. I fully agree with you. Anytime I buy a car like that, and it's missing this stuff, I never can resist, and I go ahead and I use the eBay too, and I buy this stuff. Look at it. Original owner's manual. So important, right, for all these maintenance stuff and so on. Wow, look at that. There was even brochure in it for TRD improvements. Look at it. It says 2010 TC, so who knows where this person got it from, but here are these TRD options. It's still the same gen, the same window, right? Look at it. Wow. Maybe I should put it somewhere on the wall. This is pretty cool. I guess somebody's reading my mind, because I'm thinking, what shall I do with this thing, right? Shall I put it on the spacers because the wheels are really inside, it's ugly, right? Shall we put the spacers, maybe even widen it even more? I know some people would love to lower it, but I believe it's low enough already. I don't want to be scraping every single time I will leave the driveway. But yeah, this was a cheap car, right? Therefore, a lot of potential for the improvements or customizing. So this is really important. Once again, thank you, Joseph. Guys, stay safe, stay away, right, from other people who might have that coronavirus, and I will get you in the next video. See ya.